Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Watch X5i and today I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this watch. So let's get started. And to change these straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones. And to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each side of the watch, next to the strap, you have the button, basically. And what you need to do to release the strap, you simply press on one of these buttons. And once you press it in, you can pull out the strap. Quite simple. Like this. And like this. And here we have our straps and our watch. And the mechanism is also quite simple. You have these like pins, I would say, on the strap, and basically they're locked in right here on the hole on the watch. And when you press the button, it kind of moves this mechanism. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of moves right here inside and releases the strap, basically because it's latched with the mechanism, and then you can pull out the strap from the watch. Okay, and let's say you have new straps and you want to attach them. It's also quite simple. You grab your watch, you grab the strap, you insert it at the angle like this, and then you just push it in. It will click in, and once it does, it will hold. Same for the other side, like that. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.